On my last video, I showed how I was working on this piece of East Indian rosewood, which is part of a big tree stump I dug out of a dump close to 40 years ago. And I prepped it with my scrub plane. I had to take a lot of concrete out of this. And right now I'm ready to put it on my joiner. The joiner right now, I have just high-speed blades in my joiner. They're not carbide. And they're getting close to where I want to take them to be sharpened. I have a new sharpened set. But that's a perfect opportunity to mill this a bit, because it's going to be a little hard on the blades. Let me start up my vacuum. Piece when it's done. It looks like it's coming along, and this is just about as flat as I want it right now. After that, I'm going to work on this side and make this 90 degrees to that, and then I'm going to use a carbide tip 1-inch blade on my bandsaw. This is my new 3 horsepower machine, and cut usable boards out of this.